Hello and welcome to the first lecture of Snowflake. In this lecture, we are going to see what are the key differentiator of Snowflake which make it stand out of the crowd. We know that Snowflake is a complete cloud data platform and what make it unique? Let's see that. So the number one thing which make Snowflake a really scalable platform is it is built only for cloud and that is why it inherits all the cloud power. So all the scalability, elasticity, and unlimited storage it inherit from cloud. Next thing is Snowflake is also known for its unique architecture. And when we are going to cover Snowflake in more detail, we are going to learn about different layers of Snowflake. And all these layers are decoupled. And that what make Snowflake architecture a unique one. And due to this architecture, Snowflake offer a lot of unique features. There are many unique features, but my personal take is time travel, zero cloning data, and data share. So these are really outstanding services which Snowflake offers, and that's what makes Snowflake a really different data platform as compared to its competitors. Last not the least, we have very less management overhead while working with Snowflake. You're going to learn during this course how little management overhead one have while working on the Snowflake. So all these features are key differentiator of Snowflake. And in the next lecture, we are going to cover Snowflake architecture in more detail. So I'll see you there in the next lecture. Thank you.